Yeah. I can't wait to get back home. My life's so great. Don't call my phone. The FLA, where the bud gets grown, is where I stay. No place like home. Now you can say you living great, but I'm probably living better. You can say you never hate, but I would say whatever. Life is not forever, so never regret shit. Break a girl off, then it's on to the next bitch. So many exes, flyer than the Jets is. Saturn view, never been up in the Lexus. Get the message, rap better like it. Center of hip-hop, but I ain't gonna hike it. I'm feeling good, nothing can ruin my mood. You may not ever like my music, but I'm spitting the truth. I'm bulletproof, can penetrate me up in the booth. I pass go, no monopoly, you bitches playing glue. Guessing who or how the 16-year-old spitter deliver bitter lyrics that people talking on Twitter. I probably fucked your sister, I'm just playing, there's no place like home. We are about to get faded. I can't wait to get back home. My life's so great. Don't call my phone. The FLA, where the bud gets grown, is where I stay. No place like home.
Now I've been grinding since a youngin' up in grammar school. The leader of my team, and yeah, I've been ahead of dudes. They put me on the pedestal because I stand out. The rookie of the year, I'm bringing all the fans out. I'm D Wells, nigga, ask no questions. I married the game, the microphone my best man. I drop hits, making all the bitches next spin. Like ESPN, take stats for my next win. Contestants, I compress them. I'm with the homie high res, deadly weapons. I don't dribble, I just ball out. I stay focused cause I lost out. And then the boss was out, we spend money, but I be quick to flip money. But at the end of the day, we tryna get money. Ching ching, bling bling, boy don't get it twisted. I'm a hustler, I gotta stay consistent, nigga.
I can't wait to get back home. My life's so great. Don't call my phone. Not regrettable, legible, unforgettable. Lyrics ahead of my generation, a pedal through the job. I go so hard while I thrive. What, huh? I think he's fucking talking about his cock. Stop.